how to log in into Plymouth University account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in Plymouth University login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you will be taken to this interface. So to log in, head over to the first link on this interface that says login dash University of Plymouth. Click on that. Then you will be directly taken into login page. If you scroll down a bit and your left hand side of this interface, there is a login prompt. So first of all, you have to enter a valid email address associated with your account. Or if you don't have an account yet and you would like to register, click on this option that says I wish to register. Now, since we already have an account, so once you're done typing your email, then under this password section, type in your correct password. Or in case you forgot your password, there is a link above that says I have forgotten my password. Click on that, follow some screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your password. Here, once you're done typing in your email and password, click on this OK button. Then on the next page, you should be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. I hope this video helped you and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.